Alright guys, today we are going to do the recoil rope on a Makita, what is this thing? DPC7321. I'll put all the parts in the description below. First thing we're going to do is take these 4 bolts out. They're torque 27s. I've already removed them. It's still tool. I'll put this in the description below too. It's got your spark plug socket and the torque bit on it. And pop it off. Alright, now, here, let me set my camera down where we can see stuff. Alright, so now we've got 2 small screws. You got one here and one here. They're flatheads. Go ahead and remove those 2 screws. I'm going to need a better screwdriver. I'm going to screw up my carburetor adjustment screwdriver. Then this plastic cover here will pull right off. Should just come right off. Like that. And then, oh Lord, what a mess there. We've got to get the rope out of this recoil now. So you're going to have to pick at it and get that rope pulled out of the recoil. Just like that. And then you just cut the rope right here. And then you'll pull it out from here. Just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing with this. Cut the rope off this end and just pull it right on out of this. So that's prepped too. I'm using number 5, which is very thick, but it'll last longer. I suggest to try with 4 personally. I'll put it in the description below. 4 is going to be easier to install for you. You're going to light the end of the rope, not too much, just enough to get it hardened up into a point. This freaking thing's on high. Just want to, just enough to get it into a point, and then we're going to stick it through this hole here and through the recoil hole right here, and then we're going to try to get it to come out. And we'll tie it into a knot. And this is the part where the number 5 is going to be more of a pain in the ass than number 4. Is the knot fitting back in to that hole. Really going to have to just get it jammed in there good so it doesn't get caught up on the flywheel. It fits, so you know. Then we're going to pull this rope out in a loop here. You're not going to get as much rope on it either with the number 5 than number 4. Number 4 will give you a little bit longer a pull. Alright, and then you're going to go clockwise. We'll do 3 turns at first. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to pull all this tight. Unwrap, there we go. Let it rewind back in. Check it. We got plenty of room. Let's go ahead and do 2 more. 2 more wraps should do us. 1, 2 more wraps. That's perfect. Then we're going to cut it right here. We're going to use a lighter. Don't let go of it or it'll fall back into the recoil. Use a lighter, heat it up. Don't get it too hot, you'll burn your hands. So little at a time, a little singe at a time. Now, we're going to take this rope, stick it through this recoil handle, tie a simple knot into the end of it again. Pulled nice and tight, and it's got to get into the handle. Shove it in there so it doesn't gouge out your hand. And that's it. The number 5 works really well on this. Then we're going to go ahead and place this cover back into place. Just kind of clicks down over everything. I'll need both hands. Alright, and then we've got the 2 screws. We're going to put them in and tighten them down. And set this recoil back up on here. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 torque 27s. Tighten it down. Alright, that's it, guys. That's we're ready to rock and roll. If this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you click on the down arrow, if you're on your mobile device next to the description, click on that and it'll take you to the description. Next to the title, it'll take you to the description, and I'll put the rope. Briggs & Stratton's got a whole handle rope that's number 4 rope and everything in the package. Super cheap. I'll just get that and put that in a link below for you. Yeah, other than that, if you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'd be more than happy to have you. Peace.